Now look at this type of question. Already in previous lecture, we have seen all three identities, all three opposite pairs, and basic formula for tan chord. And we have solved 3 to 4 sums based on that. Now in today's lecture, what we have to do? We have to see different 3 or 4 types. Now how to identify this type? आपको इतनी practice होनी चाहिए. By looking at this sum, you can identify type. Now look at this. Cos A upon 1 minus sin A plus cos A upon 1 plus sin A. Look at this carefully and is equal to you want 2 sec A. Now from this, from my LHS and from my numerator, can I take cos A common? दोनों लोगों का numerator same है. So this name of this type is numerator is same. So I have taken cos A common. So what do you mean inside bracket? 1 upon 1 minus sin A plus 1 upon 1 plus sin A. Now this cos A as it is. What you will do? Add करना है, but denominator is not same. अभी तो पता है आपको. What you have to do? Cross multiplication. So 1 into this will give me 1 plus sin A plus 1 into this will give me 1 minus sin A upon this into this, but this is in the form of A plus B, A minus B, A plus B, A minus B. किसका expansion है? A square minus B square. What is the value of A here? 1. 1 square is 1 minus sine square. B a sine, so this is sine square A. Getting this? A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. Plus sin A minus sin A will get cancelled. Cos A as it is. Now 1 plus 1, what you will get? 2. Now important. Now here you have square, plus minus sin A. You have to take help of identity. Sine का identity. What is my identity? Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Adjust करो, आपको किसका वैल्यू चाहिए? 1 minus sin square. 1 as it is. Plus sin square यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So this is 1 minus sin square. बचा क्या? Cos square. So cos square. यहाँ पे थीटा नहीं, यहाँ पे क्या? A. So write A. I'm reading once again. 1 minus sin square. 1 as it is. Plus sin square. यहाँ पे आके क्या होगा? Minus. So 1 minus sin square. What do you get? Cos square. Now 1 cos and 1 cos will get cancelled. So 2 into 1 upon. एक cos बचा था. But whenever you have 1 upon something, you think of opposite pair. Cos का opposite क्या होता है? Sec. 2 as it is. And this is sec A. This you want. So that is equal to as. Is this simple? Now we try one more sum. Now next sum is 1 minus sin square A upon 1 plus cos A is equal to what you have to prove? Cos A. Now look at this term or this sum. How to identify? यहाँ पे सब cos दिया हुआ है and what you want here again? Cos. So try to convert this in terms of again cos. So what I will do? LHS is equal to 1 minus. I don't want sin here. So what is the value of sin square from this? Sin square चाहिए. Cos square हटा दो यहाँ से. Plus है. वापस जाके क्या होगा? Minus. So what you will get here? 1 minus cos square A. I'm writing in bracket. 1 minus cos square A upon this 1 plus cos A as it is. This is very important. This minus and as it is. What is the value of sin square? 1 minus cos square. Now this step is very important. Minus and as it is. Now for this one, can I write 1 square? 1 square is 1, na? Why I have written like this? Now this is in the form of A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? A plus B, A minus B. So what do you get? 1 plus cos A, and in second bracket what do you get? 1 minus cos A. What is your denominator? 1 plus cos A. Now this 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A will get cancelled. So what remain? 1 minus R as it is and 1 minus cos A. Now open your bracket. Bracket के बाद minus sign है. हम पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं. All inside terms will get changed. This plus 1 है. So this become minus 1 minus cos A. So this become plus cos A. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So what remain? Cos A. Is this easy? Getting this, यहाँ पे आपको sometimes you will get tan square. So use formula for tan square. Sometimes you will get cos square. So you have to use accordingly formula. Getting this? Now we'll see next term. Now we have to see next type. Now how to identify this type? What is there in this type? Sin A upon 1 plus cos A. कोई स्क्वायर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं. स्क्वायर नहीं तो आइडेंटिटी यूज नहीं कर सकते हो. 1 upon, you don't have anything 1 upon, so you can't use of opposite pair. So whenever you come across this type, you have to do rationalization, and 99% you will get some in terms of sin and cos. Now what is rationalization? Look at this. Sin A upon 1 plus cos A as it is. Now we have to multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of your denominator. What is the conjugate? 1 plus cos A. इसका opposite क्या आएगा? 1 minus cos A. So this is 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. Getting this? इसके opposite से multiply किया मैंने. So what you will get? Sin A in bracket 1 minus cos A. Sin A as it is, in second bracket 1 minus cos A. Now this into this in the form of A plus B, A minus B. This expansion of A square minus B square. यहाँ पे A is 1 square is 1, minus this is cos square A. Now this is sin A as it is, 1 minus cos A. Now you have here square as well as minus sign. माइनस प्लस है, कुछ तो भी एक साइन चाहिए. You have to take help of identity. 1 minus cos square. So you will take help of this identity. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. What do you want here? 1 minus cos square है. 1 as it is. Plus cos square यहाँ पे shift कर लो. So what you will get here? 1 minus cos square है. What remain here? Sin square. I'm writing once again. What do you want? 1 minus cos square. 1 as it is. ये प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका? 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर, बचेगा क्या? साइन स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया साइन स्क्वायर. नाउ 1 साइन ए एंड यहाँ पे कैंसिल. सो व्हाट रिमेन? 1 माइनस कॉस ए अपॉन साइन ए. सेपरेट योर डिनोमिनेटर. सो व्हाट विल गेट? 1 अपॉन साइन ए माइनस कॉस ए अपॉन साइन ए. अब ये आपको पता है 1 अपॉन मतलब अपोजिट पेयर. सो 1 अपॉन साइन ए, व्हाट यू विल गेट? कोसेक ए. एंड दिस इज बेसिक फॉर्मूला. कॉस अपॉन साइन इज व्हाट? कॉट. यही चाहिए आपको. कोसेक ए माइनस कॉट ए विच इज इक्वल टू योर RHS. Getting this? Is this easy? Now we see next term. Now look at this sum carefully. What is difference between previous sum and this term? If I cancel this tan A, so what you mean? Sin upon 1 minus cos A. Nothing can simplify. So आपने क्या क्या होता? Rationalize. But यहाँ पे एक और एक term है tan. That can be simplified. How to simplify tan? Sin upon cos. जो simplify हो रहा है, so you will not use rationalization. So what you have to do? We start from LHS. Sin A into what is value of tan A? Sin A upon what? Cos A. Right here for simplification. Tan का sin upon cos. Already what is upon में क्या था आपके पास? 1 minus cos A. Any doubt to this? Now sin into sin will give me sin square A upon 1 minus cos A into cos A. Don't open bracket. Keep as it is. Getting this? Now what you have here? Sin square. जब square है, you take help of identity. What is value of sin square from this? 1 sin square का value, ये cos square यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. So it will be 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A into cos A. Now 1 minus इसका value क्या आएगा? 1 minus, sorry, this is in the form of A square minus B square. So what do you get? A plus B, A minus B. 1 coming as 1 square upon 1 minus cos A and cos A. 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A cancel. So what remain? Look at this. What remain? 1 plus cos A upon cos A. Now separate your denominator. दोनों को denominator दे दो. So it will be 1 upon cos A plus cos A upon cos A. Just separate denominator. Cos A cancel. So यहाँ पे बचा 1 and 1 upon A. So taking off opposite pair. So 1 upon cos is what? Sec. Cos का opposite होता है sec. This you want. This is your RHS. Is that easy? Getting this? Trigonometry is easy when you do more and more practice about this. Thank you.